Welcome back, friends. Today in this video, we will see how to generate passive income with AI by making cool t-shirt designs. This video is divided into 3 parts. In the first part, we will make cool t-shirt designs from Playground AI. In the second part, we will use that designs to create t-shirts with the help of Printify, and in the last step we will sell that t-shirts on Etsy to make money. So let's get started.
Okay, let's get started. Firstly, open your Chrome browser and search for Playground AI. We are now on Playground AI, which is an important tool of our income. Playground AI generates stunning art from our text. And you can also see this amazing images generated by other people. We can use it for free. In Midjourney, we need to pay for royalty of other people's art or images. Here you can use it for free without any issues. Sign up for free. We'll ask ChatGPT to give prompts of attractive designs and patterns like futuristic patterns or whatever you like. Then ChatGPT will generate as much as results and ideas you want. Then we will copy the idea we like and then copy as it is and then paste it to Playground AI. After some time, we will get our results. You'll be thinking, how we can earn money from this? Wait, I will explain you about that in a couple of minutes. First, we will generate designs we like as much as we can and as attractive as we can by repeating the same process from ChatGPT to the Playground AI. I like this tribal art. I will remove the background and download it as a PNG image. You can also download the art like this, or you can generate which you like. Then the final and the most important part comes in, and from this, we can generate passive income. Simply search for Printify, sign up and log in. Those who don't code what Printify. With Printify, users can create their own online store, choose from a wide range of products, upload their designs, and have the products printed and shipped directly to customers when an order is placed. It essentially allows individuals to start and run their own print-on-demand business without the need for upfront inventory or production capabilities. We will simply choose one of these blank t-shirts. I will suggest going with medium price t-shirt. The quality of this t-shirt is good and available in a cheap price. Choose the design company by checking basics like location, delivery time, and color patterns, etc. We will choose this one. Then we will upload our recent design created with the help of ChatGPT and Playground AI. Upload it, select the size, adjust the size, select the suitable t-shirt color. I like it in black color. And then save it. Look how beautiful a product we made in just a couple of minutes. You can see front side and back side of t-shirt. You can also see the t-shirt on this girl. Look how beautiful it will look in real. And we will be set to sell this cool t-shirt on Etsy. It is a platform where individuals and small businesses can buy and sell a wide variety of products, including handmade crafts, vintage items, art, clothing, jewelry, home decor, and more. We will sell our t-shirts here. You will find people are already making millions from this process, and the fun fact is you do not need to go anywhere or purchase machinery or ship products by your own. That things will be handled by Printify. You can sell your t-shirt approximately double the price you made. You will see thousands of t-shirts are already selling in high demand.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel for more information.